Hello investors, so today we're going to be discussing my moves for the next week, and here I have MGM Resorts. And if we take a look here at the 1 year graph, as you can see it's at a steady pace of $27 through $30, and as of right now the current price is at 22. Taking a look at here at the 1 week graph, as you can see I had a jump of almost $5, which is a pretty big growth, going up from $19 to $20 to almost 22. And my moves for the week is possibly buying some calls for the future. I believe maybe closer to July 24th or July 17th. If we take a look here at the calls, actually not July 24th. Why don't we go with something more like September 18th now? Like maybe buying a few of these, strike closer to 29 or 28, $30 as well. As you can see as well, the MGM Resorts, they plan to open up more casinos. I know they opened up recently, which is why they had a huge move. And not only that, they plan on opening up multiple more casinos. If you look right here, MGM Resorts International President and Acting CEO Bill Hornbuckle tells Las Vegas Review-Journal that the ex-clubber will reopen on June 11th, while demand could still be high enough by the 4th of July for area to come back. Not only that, all the casinos are very packed right now, which is why you see a big move on MGM. I think it's a pretty safe option, or just gotta find the right time to get in. That's one move to look out for. Another move is NCL. They've had one crazy run up this past month as well, of almost $12. Unbelievable if you ask me.